Norugan kai? Okay? Omuzire wawe noha?
Omushomo ogwo gubire gwebembirwa b'ekitongole kya Willow International hamwe na British Council.
Turi omukwegesebwa kukwata ha human trafficking ninga enkora eyokuhindura abantu abahuku ninga okubabonabonesa ninga okubiha omwanya gumwe bakatwara omugundi.
Martin Arnitwe uri omwebembezi w'eminyeto mu Bushenyi Ishaka Municipality agambire ngo omwanya gwa Kizinda nigwo guri kusingayo omukora abantu abahuku.
Ahabo kuba Kizinda turebere munonga ansonga za human trafficking yiri kusinga mu district ya Bushenyi. Ono ino Bushenyi konka no muzindi district sezinde ziri around.
Atwire Robert RDC wa Bushenyi ashoborire ngo mu Bushenyi harimo companies nyingi ezo ezabari kubana batambuze ibintu bya plastics ezibatari kwetegereza.
Hari abana bingi abo kushanga bari amanya bekorira plastika manyene batura nko mu maju tino ndije ari kuzayo ejo groups nkezo
nuko kugira ngo buri company raze kutandika gukora mu Bushenyi ine kube yahandikise na office ya kawo hamwe na bebembeza abandi kutandikira ha LC1.
We make sure that all those companies, of course we welcome business, but they should be fully licensed through the office of the cow, and then follow up again with the political structures, with the LCs. All of them must have registers of their residents.
Azora Peter or OC aha police station ya Basajja Baraba agambire ahakiresera abantu abarukorwaho ubuhuku nkobu byeyongera.
Because our borders are not well protected, they are porous. Anybody can pass anywhere. Of course, if I have those intentions of trafficking my people, I will use any of the routes that are available.
So, bashanga enshonga za human trafficking in community, turashaba ngo abantu bahitane hari police, narishi probation officer, narishi RDC.
Atwire Robert or RDC wa Bushenyi agizire ngo basharamu nk'abebembezi ba Bushenyi bwanyuma yo kumara kushomeswa kutandika kuhoza Bushenyi yona okwenda ngo bacungura abo abariyo nibabonabonesa batine buyambe bwona.
Itwe twasharamu ngo kurga hati twaza kufuza Bushenyi yona turebe ngo tari umuntu wakubasa kuba bamu trafficking ninga arukora nko muhuku arikubonabonera murumo.
Chamazima Monica uri manager w'ihanga ryona omukitongere kya Willow International ekikora habugabe bwabo abarukubana babonabonesibwa omumbere tarunungi na wagarukire yatushobora mwe ahabeneso ebyekitongore eki kyatireho.
Ni penalties z'abantu abo barashanga bali guilty of human trafficking. Halimu penalty, for example 15 years in prison bakushanga ngo guilty of human trafficking. Ninga wa trafficking omwana, that is omuntu ahasi y'emyaka 18.
Gashakwa Olivia Nasasira wa Sky Television agenshonga mu Bushenyi.